What if I told you that learning English doesn't have to be hard or stressful? You don't need perfect grammar, you don't need expensive classes, you just need the right habits. And today on Daily Lingo, I'm going to share 10 simple tips that can completely change the way you learn English. Stay with me because these tips are easy, practical, and perfect if you're just starting out. Tip number 1. Stop chasing perfection. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is trying to be perfect. Perfection doesn't exist. Communication does. If people understand you, you are doing great. Even native speakers make mistakes every day. For example, if you say, I go to the store yesterday, it's not perfect, but everyone understands you. That's what matters. Speak first, fix mistakes later. Tip number 2, use shadowing. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Here's how it works. You listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately after them, like their shadow. Use short videos, podcasts, or even daily lingo clips. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and speed. Just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Tip number 3, turn new words into stories. Don't just memorize words, use them. When you learn new words, create a short story. Simple, funny, even silly. It doesn't matter. Stories help your brain remember words naturally and for a longer time. Tip number 4, relax your mind. English becomes harder when you're stressed. When you relax, you remember words faster, you speak more smoothly, you make fewer mistakes. Speak slowly. Breathe. Enjoy the process. English is a journey, not a test. Tip number 5, speak with others. You don't learn English by staying silent. Find a friend, a small group, or an online speaking partner. Speak regularly, even if it's just once a week. The goal is practice, not perfection. Tip number 6, practice real-life situations. Role-play everyday conversations. Ordering food, booking a hotel, asking for directions. This prepares you for real life and boosts your confidence fast. Tip number 7, paraphrase what you hear. After watching or listening to something in English, explain it in your own words. You don't need the same sentences, just the same idea. This improves understanding, speaking, vocabulary. Tip number 8, expand your sentences. Start simple, then add details. I have a dog. I have a small dog. I have a small dog that loves playing in the park. This helps you think in English and sound more natural. Tip number 9, build confidence daily. Confidence doesn't come first, practice does. Celebrate small wins. a new word, a short conversation, understanding a video. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Tip number 10. Switch roles in conversations. Practice asking and answering questions. This helps you think faster. Keep conversations going. Feel comfortable speaking. Remember, learning English takes time, but you can do it. Many people learn English on their own, and you are one of them. At DailyLingo, we are here to help you listen more, speak more, and feel more confident every day. Keep practicing, keep listening, and I'll see you in the next DailyLingo video.